So what's up, my people? It's your boy King here once again with another huge update. But this update is limited to Nigerians only. So if you're not a Nigerian, this update is not for you. Or else there was a way, one or the other, you have a Nigerian friend, or there was a way you have an account in Nigeria. You understand? Or else there's a way you have an account in Nigeria. That means you can now participate on this update. So for those of you that are Nigerians, this update is just for you, but you have to be cautious of this update. First of all, if you sign up on this particular website called Morgan Stanley /ng.com, they're gonna give you 5,000 naira, which is withdrawable in a way that I'm gonna show you on this video. So what you have to do for me now is to give this a like. Yes, just take a second to give this a like. It won't take you anything. Give it a like. So give it a like. So after giving it a like, if you're a new viewer from any part of Nigeria, subscribe to my channel and turn on notification, because I dropped updates that I will gonna show you guys a payment proof, and I'm gonna do a live withdrawal from this video to show you guys how this thing work. This is my first withdrawal from the site. So let's dive into the main video of the day. Once you sign up on this particular update, they're gonna give you 200 naira as a sign-up bonus. That's just a sign-up bonus. They're also gonna give you 5,000 naira. So I'm gonna tell you how to use that 5,000 naira and be able to withdraw. You can withdraw more than that 5,000 naira from that particular 5,000 naira. So what are you gonna do? First of all, on this particular project, this is an investment site. Despite giving you 200 naira bonus and 5,000 naira bonus also, which you can withdraw in the way that I'm gonna show you. If you want to use this particular update, if you want to use this particular website, start now. In fact, start this week. Start today or tomorrow. Start now. Start this week. Because this kind of update doesn't last. I'm going to be honest with you guys. It doesn't last forever. As in, it's going to last something like a month or below or above a month. But this kind of update doesn't last more than 2 months. So there are two types of people that uses this kind of website: the losers and the winners. The winners are the ones that took the site serious on time, invest, cash out their capital, and earn the gain until further notice. And second rule is that you don't leave any money on the platform. Once you have minimum withdrawal, withdraw. Thirdly, don't invest what you can afford to lose. You cannot afford to lose, and don't invest someone's money. Don't borrow to invest. So, but this website is very good because you need to invest here before you can withdraw. That is the truth. So how do you need to invest? You need 3,000 naira. 3,000 naira is not that much. It's not that much for something that is gonna give you a return. Return is gonna be 27,000 naira in 90 days. So daily you are gonna be getting 300 naira. 300 naira within 10 days. You have gotten your, before 10 days with the 5,000 naira given to you, before 10 days you have gotten your money, your capital back, and the rest of the 90 days you are gonna be getting 300 naira daily. 300 naira daily. Minimum withdrawal is just 1,000 naira. So how do you do it? Click, once you're done signing up, next thing you have to do is to click on deposit. It's gonna lead you to the plan that you have. For me, I bought 5,000 naira plan, which is this 5,000 coin here. So for you can go for 3,000 naira. So click on deposit. You can choose any gateway. Normally I choose gateway 1. So click on deposit. They're gonna show you where you're gonna deposit with bank transfer. They will give you account number that you use to deposit on bank transfer. So let it load a bit. Just give it a time. So I'm not depositing anything here because I've deposited already 5k. I've deposited 5k. So before 10 days, maybe within 7 to 8 days, I'm gonna get my capital back, because daily I'm getting a good amount of money from this daily. So just copy out this account number here. This is the account bank name, Coronation Merchant Bank, and bank account name VV Game Limited. So once you're done, you can use USD, you can use bank card, you can also do bank transfer. So once you're done with it, just click on I have made payments and then go back. Within some time, within maybe a minute or more, your deposit is gonna reflect. So next thing you have to do is to go over to this place. Okay. once you are done depositing, click on this place now, this place that is going to show you the plan. Depending on the plan of battery, you can buy 3,000 naira plan, you can buy 5,000 naira. For me, I did the 5,000 naira. So click on this 3,000 naira plan. It's gonna show you your ticket is gonna be here. This place that my ticket is showing 0 is because I don't have ticket. I've already used my own. So depending on your ticket, maybe you bought a 3,000 naira own, or you bought a 5,000 naira own, or whatever, it's gonna show it here. So if you click on invest, you have gotten your investment. So for the 5,000 naira that I show you guys, look, let me show it to you guys here. Let me show it to you guys. If you sign up, they're gonna give you this 5,000 naira sign up bonus. Look at it here. Sign up bonus is the 5,000 naira. So the first 5,000 naira is gonna last up to a year, as they said, and you're gonna be getting 1% of the 5,000 naira daily. 1% of the 5,000 naira daily. So as you can see, that means you're gonna be getting 50 naira out of the 5,000 naira plan that they give you daily. Total return is gonna give you 18,250 naira. So according to them, in 365 days, but I don't think this thing will last 365 days, because this is Ponzi. I'll tell you the truth, it's Ponzi. Ponzi is something that pay now and stop paying within some time, and it will take people's money. The losers, the people that doesn't take it serious on time until they see that there are a lot of payments. So as you can see, I'm having this particular 5,000 naira plan. This is the one that I bought. It's gonna be giving me 550 naira daily. 550 naira daily of my balance. So I have already obtained 1,100 naira. That is this one that you are seeing here. And also I will be getting 50 naira daily out of the 500 naira plan that they give to me. 5,000 naira plan that they gave to me also as a sign up bonus. So I'm gonna go ahead and withdraw now. So before you withdraw, you can go over here to add your bank details. So click on buying bank card. So as you can see, I've added my account. Don't worry, I just covered it. I've added my account. You can just select the account here. I've added it and click on submit. So once you're done with it, let me now go and withdraw. So let me click on withdraw and type the amount that I want to withdraw. I want to withdraw, or there's no withdrawal charges here, so I can withdraw it. I can just click on withdraw. As you can see, they have placed my withdrawal under my withdrawal is under review. So once it's done, I'm gonna update you guys. So below a minute, I got a notification that I received 1,400 naira. I remember I told you guys there is no withdrawal charges for this particular update. There's no, as you can see, the whole amount was sent to my account. So this is it. This is how it works. The withdrawal doesn't even take up to a minute, although they say 60 minutes, but it doesn't even take up to a minute. So if you want to use this particular site, guys, use it now. Use it now. If you want to use this particular website, go out to it now. 3,000 naira, 5,000 naira is not that big deal. I know it's a big deal, but it's not that a big deal for you to earn from. And if you don't use it this week, using it next 2 weeks or next 3 weeks, or it's not advisable anymore. So go ahead and use 3,000 now. You can pay with your card, you can pay with USD, you can pay with bank transfer, mobile bank transfer, and these 3 methods you can pay with them. You cannot pay with cryptocurrency. This is not a crypto update. So next thing now is how do you earn more 500 naira per click? So how you earn it is by referral. Okay, let me go over to withdrawal record. So let me click on it to show you guys withdrawal success from this place. As you can see, the withdrawal was successful. So how do you earn how do you earn 500 naira per click? How do you earn 500 naira per click on this particular update? Is by referral. So click on this team. Click on this team here. This woman is just cutting my network. Sorry for that. Click on this team here. You can copy out your referral link. This is your referral link. Copy out your referral link. Any valid referral that you got is gonna give you 500 naira. Any valid referral that you get is gonna give you 500 naira. So this is how to earn from this particular update. And don't worry, for those of you that are not Nigerian, I'm gonna bring a very good update that is universal, that is crypto. So as for now, see you guys on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on notification Give this video a like, guys. Give this video a like because it deserves your like. See you guys on my next video. Bye.